Assalamu alaikum and students. I'm your teacher Miss Anika Salim. This lecture is for class 2. So students, today's our topic is what is file. But in previous class you have learned about file, but today you will learn about file name and extension. So let's start our topic. Extension means the type of file. Okay? Here you can see different types of files. File means any video, any picture, any audio, any document, any type of songs. It's called, when you give it a name, it is called file name. For example, here you can see different names of files. Here you can see the names of files. So this is called file name. The name of this file is 14 August. So means here you can see the picture of 14 August. The file name is 14 August. But if you want to change the name of the file, for example, here the picture of Allama Iqbal, but the file name is not good. So if you want to change the name of the file, so you have to click on the right button, move down, and here you can see rename. Rename, click on the rename and click Allama Iqbal and press the enter button. The name of your file is created. You can see here the file name is changed, and the extension means the type of the file. What is the type of that file? If when you listen to music, so you can also say it is MP4, MP3, MP2 or any other type. So this is called the extension. For music, for videos, we use MP4, HD, high definition. The picture is HD. Why we say the video quality is HD? I need this song in MP4, in MP3. This is called extension. But in picture, you can say JPG, PNG. These are the extension for pictures. Here you can see the name is written item type PNG image. Means this is picture. It is image. So that's why it is in PNG form. It is maybe PNG or JPG. Okay? The picture may be in JPG or PNG form. It's depend on the size and the type of the picture. So here you can see a PNG picture. These pictures are mostly in PNG form. Okay? So if you see the document file, if you will see document file, it is present in type with PowerPoint, PPT. The extension is PPT or PowerPoint. But if you see document file, it is present in document or docs. The extension is docs. Okay? So these are called extension. Extension means the type of the file. What type of file it is? If the file is picture, so it is called JPG or PNG extension. If the file is document, so the extension is docs. If the file is songs, videos, audio, so the extension is MP4, MP3, HD. So this is called the extension. Here you can see other extension I will show you. So here you can see a recording. The recording, the sound, the extension form is MKV. They are not in JPG form because it's not a picture. They are not in document form. These are the songs or these are the videos. So these videos are in MPV, MP4 or any other forms, MKV. So these are the extensions of the file. And the name of the file, you can choose the unique name according to your picture. If your picture is the picture of Quaid-e-Azam, so you have to write down the name of this picture, Quaid-e-Azam, not Allama Iqbal. If you write the name of the picture wrong, so it considered as a wrong picture name. So always give the appropriate and perfect name for your file name. so it will easy to find for you. Here is the picture of Minar-e-Pakistan, but I have not wrote the picture name, file name. So I will write down the file name by clicking on right click, rename, and change the name of the file, Minar-e-Pakistan. Press enter. Here Minar-e-Pakistan picture is rename. You have rename, you have give the name to your file. So student, I hope you have understood what is extension and what is file name. If you have any question regarding this topic, you can ask from me. Allah Hafiz.